guys, ang aming Andoks chicken chok to go with the topping sauce of butter, lemon, and garlic fresh. So guys, tingnan mo, so yummy. After that, we will return again little bit in oven. So yummy, delicious. This is so yummy with potato, vegetable, and carrots with a sliced onion. So delicious, yummy, delicious. Wow. I will return back this one. Aywa. Then we will put the toppings again, and it will be red color. So yummy, delicious. Ayan. Yummy, delicious. Ayan. Yan guys, napakasarap. Thank you so much. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.